Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mohammed Bilal Yunus, and I have around 16 certifications, which includes CEH, EWPT, then ECPPT, then CCT. I am also a beta testing committee member at EC Council, and along with that, I have some certifications in investigation from CSI Linux vendor about dark web investigation, about social media investigation, and many more. So, today we are going to introduce CEH training, which will include CEH is a certification from EC Council, and it has two kind of exams. One is practical one, CEH practical, and one is about theory, which is simple CEH. So in CEH we have multiple modules, and it is about like intro of ethical hacking, then reconnaissance phases, then we have scanning, enumeration, how to do the system hacking, how the wireless security works, how cryptography works. There are many modules in it. And in CEH, we actually get the core idea of cybersecurity about different domains, about, by the way, in this version, we have AI as well. So we will cover AI tools in terms of cybersecurity. We will also cover AI models where we will have some vulnerabilities, web application vulnerabilities, like SQL injection, like cross-site scripting, access control bugs, OWASP top 10, etc. So why it is important? CEH is important in terms of industry standards. Many industries in different world actually prefer CEH because it makes sure that you have enough knowledge about cybersecurity course. So that's all. Thank you very much.